Hello, I'm Kirill, a UX designer, and I review side projects through the business lens. Can this be a good business? 5 minutes, honest opinion, and my verdict. Let's look at HomeManager Assistant today. The domain is already mismatch HomeBase Assistant, which is already potential red flag. But let's see. First, clarity test. 10 seconds on the homepage. Cut unexpected home repair cost by 100K plus. So it's already a very bold statement. Already makes me skeptical that it's a fake number. Stop the stress of home management chaos. Okay, so there's like problem of home management, and this is home repairs costs. So this is money saving. This is stress relief. So it's already two different value propositions. Digitize, organize all home documents. Okay, I like that. I would use that. Automated, if it works. Automated maintenance, warranty reminders, smart seasonal tasks. So it's already several different, almost like products or major features in one. So I have somewhat an idea. I would say like 3 out of 5 on the clarity. Let's look at the audience. Target audience for whom? All homeowners? Not sure. Houses or apartments or condos. Not clear from here. So I would give it at least for now, 3 out of 5. So some like broad homeowner, which is already a bit too. Yeah, again, homeowner. Is it like the owner? Yeah, probably it's okay. Like 3 out of 5. Okay, so let's look at the page. Looks very templatized and already quite sloppy design in general, so already loses my trust as a potential customer. I wonder if you tested this with any users or prospects to get their feedback. I'm sure if you did, you would get some feedback and you would make some changes. This is doesn't look remotely professional. Even like the a vibe coded AI generated templates now look better. Some UI elements here. Okay. I would say overall, also too many features. If I look at this is like feature by feature for different user types. Or here we have different user types: homeowners, investors and managers, and real estate agents. Okay, this I would downgrade this to 2 out of 5 on the audience parameter because this looks like it's for everyone. When it's for everyone, it's for no one. And you can see this in the list of features. Basically, cloning or not cloning, generating new features for all these profiles, for all these personas. Makes like really hard for me to understand if it works for me as a homeowner, let's say. So yeah, very unfocused. Product wise, I would say 2 out of 5. Doesn't make me trust this at all. Lots of text. Yeah, very templatized. Okay, let's look at this. So what's this? Home repair costs. Okay, reduce home repair costs. Let's see what competitors you have. App. Contractors, preventive. Oh, preventive. So HomeZada is already there's AI power tools, Oply, Fixbot, diagnose issue. So it looks like there's already a busy field, busy market. TaskRabbit for services. Yeah, I don't know. Like I don't see any reason why I would would decide to switch over or register with this product comparing to existing known names. So what really makes special this for you? In the eyes of the customer. So that's not clear. Okay, let's look at the pricing. Oh, 5 with custom price. I mean, this is very confusing. For the starting point, yeah, there's too many options. Coming soon, coming soon. Again, like losing my trust in that I can trust this. 5, 10. So it's almost like random numbers. arbitrary numbers that you put. Yeah, all this pricing, this has to come from your analysis of the pain you're solving, like really how big of a pain it is. So you need to speak with your target audience and understand how they solve this today, and is it really even a pain for them. Yeah, so lots of gaps. I feel there's lots of gaps in understanding the audience. Who is your customer, and what problem are you solving? This is like lots of different things into one, almost like a brain dump of all the ideas for some keyword, and then like you use maybe AI to generate all the different features. Yeah, too much. Okay, I would score it on the business. I don't know, 2 out of 5. I don't see a lot of potential here. Okay, so overall clarity, as I said, 3 out of 5. Audience, after I saw that there are multiple different types, segments, completely separate, almost like tr- three sides of the marketplace. Um, uh, 2 out of 5, almost like everyone, which means nobody. Product very 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 low quality template, I would say. So 2 out of 5. Differentiation 1 out of 5. Nothing really makes it special from what I see. Viability, again, unclear distribution because you don't have the audience. Yeah, pricing seems like arbitrary numbers. Overall, 1 out of 5, and I would recommend to kill this and do something else. Don't waste time on this. Seems like there's lack of clarity. Okay, if you wanna go deeper, I have and like I don't know, go through the actual product and review the competitors, or think about the plans and strategy, what to do next, how I would approach this. I do a 30-minute paid sessions. There will be a link in the description. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.